Okay, where we are now, Bryce Point, elevation 8,300 feet. Wow. Rim Trail Inspiration Point, that says. So we're heading that way. On the way up to the overlook, and we have an overlook on the way to the overlook. So take a look at this. It's on the way to, wow, look at that. Beautiful. There's that tree kind of leaning over here. Let's get that. Wow. Okay. There's back there. Anyways, I changed into my lighter jacket. Got too hot with that other one. So let's head up there. Okay, won't be going up that way, but almost there. We'll be making our way out there, but oh, I can just circle over here and then go back down. Walk down there along the rim here instead. Wow, it's going to be wonderful out there. So let's get over there.
Oh yeah, we already did that. We went there this morning. Yeah, the light was not very nice on it. We went really early in the morning, but that was okay.
Yeah, oh, that totally makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Should we go down?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah, let's figure out. It's too, so it's not the horse-only trail.
Asphalt spot. Yeah. Do you want me down here?
Wow, so this is Bryce Point. Amazing. Okay, time to do my... Okay, here we go. I use the fence behind me as a guide. Wow. The sun directly in my eyes now. There, now you can see me. Mm. Wow. Wow. Oh, take a look at that. Yep. Walk over here more. There's the path down to here. There we go. Wow. And that was Bryce Point. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to head back up to the car. And the next place we're planning on hitting should be Inspiration Point. So that should be pretty good too. So talk to you later. Inspiration Point. That's where the shuttle stop is that they have running in the summertime. This is what it looks like in January. Elevation 8,100 feet. Wow. Closer look. Man, oh my, look at that. Amazing. Hey, we'll be going up to there. Yeah, look around here a little bit longer. Little bird flying. Say a raven, I'm guessing. Looks like it, yeah. Okay. Man, look at that. There we go. Ah, sun's in my eyes. Wow. Yeah, there we go. They're not even to the high point yet. Oh, that high point's closed, so only going right here. Okay. Yeah, there's the closed sign. Oops. All right, I guess we're not going up there. Okay. All right. There's the sign. That was Inspiration Point. That is a beautiful view up there. Kind of bummed not able to go up to where it was way up there, but that's all right. That does save us time then. We gotta take a look at the map and decide where we're going next. So talk to you later.